Prakash, what did I say? I'm being told. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Prakash, for that. Well, Jay Bala is now joining us. He's, of course, with cashthechaos.com. Jay, great to have you with us here. Thank you very much. I think we spoke late last week, and you said, you know, you kind of opened up downsides on the Nifty, but you also said maybe we get a bit of a bounce, a small one. Is this the kind of bounce that you had imagined? And is this kind of extending a little higher than what you thought it would stop at? What's your sense on in the near term for the Nifty?
Thanks for having me on the show, Prashant. Yeah, I had mentioned that, you know, from 1700, I expected a bounce somewhere close to 18,100, and we are here at 18,100. And I probably think that, you know, this is probably nearing the maximum for a counter-trend bounce. But if the rallies that stay below 18,345 is quite bearish for the market. And you know, the 17,700 support that we saw, very close to the 17,800 support I had projected, is not a very strong one. So I believe the market could go back to 17,500. But the important price action that's been happening on the charts is on the monthly charts. You know, the Nifty made new record highs in December and has got strongly rejected, and it's near the lower end of the range for the December series. And, you know, if you go back and look at 2020, 2015, 2008, they've all had similar price action, rejection from monthly highs, which are 52-week highs, and then closing near the lower third of the range have led to multi-month decline. So this is a sign of weakness for the market. So people need to be very careful here.
Jay, but the Nifty is currently trading below that 18,345 level. So are we currently in a no-trade zone?
No, I mean, the market's not going to get bullish even if it were to cross 18,345. But staying below 18,345 is a sign of quite a bit of weakness. That's the point I'm trying to make here. So, you know, even if I had projected a rally, a counter-trend bounce somewhere close to 18,100, if it goes to 18,200, 18,300, that's not going to change things. 18,345 is a short-term resistance, but a strong one. If the market falters at the very first resistance, that would send a very important message to the market.
At what point does one go short in the market? At current levels, would you wait for the rally to extend itself?
Yeah, this is one of the likely point for people to start getting short here. You can probably get positional, you know, puts or even futures positions right here, as long as the market's below 18,345. You know, if the market is going to drop to 17,500, that's a good risk reward. You have a 200-point risk and about 700, 800 points drop potential. So that I would say is a decent potential for somebody to make a short attempt here.
I wanted your thoughts, Jay, on the IT space. I mean, you said that 28,000 could be a bit of a place where there would be, you know, jostling between both the bulls and bears, and two possibilities exist. Now, so far, we're 700 points above that 28,000 mark. Do you think, you know, it is going to tilt in the favor of bulls? Your thoughts here?
See, I want the market or the Nifty IT to tilt in favor of the bulls, but you know, the market action has not been so convincing at the moment. So if the Nifty IT index were to cross 29,500, 30,000, then it will gain a little more strength for the bullish case. But if 28K gets taken out on the lower side, that will, you know, project a very bearish picture for the medium term. And you know, if you project a medium term or a long term trend line from 2009 low to the 2020 pandemic low, that would bring the Nifty IT index somewhere close to 21K, 21.5K. So, you know, I really don't want the Nifty IT index to break below 28K, but I'm being very cautious here. I would like to see 29,500, 30K taken out first.
Any other indices delicately poised like the IT one?
See, the banking index is slightly stronger than the Nifty. It can be argued that, you know, but the banking index hasn't turned as bearish as the Nifty. So if the banking index were to, you know, take out 43,615, then the possibly one more higher high is possible for the banking index. But you know, if 41,569 is taken out before 43,615, it will put the banking index also firmly within the bear's grip. But If Nifty Pharma were to hold 12,500 and rally from here, it has short-term rally potential somewhere close to 14K, something like a Torrent Pharma. But
Okay, we've lost that connection with Jay Bala, but his view is that market text